Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Kits. Hope you all most well. Today our drawing I about how to draw a village scenery can be a fun and relaxing process. Here is step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Start with the horizontal line. Draw a light horizontal line across your paper to represent the horizon. This line will separate the sky from the land. Sketch step number 2. Sketch the basic structure being by drawing simple shape for the village houses. Most houses in a village can be drawn as rectangle or square with triangle tops. Add a few more shapes to create vibration. Some houses might have a rectangular or square body with the sloping roof. Step 3. Add detail to the building. Add windows, doors, and details like chimneys or shutters to make each house unique. Include other small structures like a barn, a windmill, or a small shop if you like. Step 4. Draw the roads and paths. Add a dirt road, a cobblestone path leading through the village. Road can wind gently through the village or be straight depending on the look you want. Consider adding some smaller paths that detail to individual or building. Sketch the sky. Draw some cloud in the sky and you can add butterfly or extra religion. If you are drawing a sunset or sunrise, you can use gradient shading for the sky. Would you like specific tips on any part of the process or need help with other details? Subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment my all videos. Okay, bye bye.